Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting the indexing head to the machine table and securing the workpiece. This is critical because any play ruins accuracy. Once the head is bolted, align the spindle perpendicular to the table using shims or an indicator and tighten clamps progressively. Make sure to check that the dividing plate and dog fit the spindle without slop. If necessary, swap plates to match your required division. At this stage, you are ready to select the proper plate and set the gear train for the first cut. You now select the dividing plate and configure gears to get the exact division. This determines how many teeth or faces you'll index. Once chosen, engage the worm and gear train, then advance the crank while watching the index marks. Move slowly for partial divisions and count holes when using the plate. Make sure to lock the spindle with the clamp when at each indexed position, because even slight free play causes cumulative error. If cutting, set the cutter feed and depth only after verifying 1 or 2 trial indexes. You finish by performing the remaining indexed cuts while periodically returning to the datum to confirm alignment. This prevents drift over multiple operations. After cutting, deburr and inspect every index feature with a dial indicator or caliper to confirm uniform spacing and run out with intolerance. If you encounter misindexing, stop and check the plate, dog seating, gear engagement, and any loose bolts. Once corrected, re-index and recut the affected features. Remember, small adjustments now save remachining later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.